WooCommerce Abandoned Cart Recovery recovers lost sales by sending automated emails to cart abandoners. The plugin is Polylang compatible for creating a multilingual WordPress site, translate all dynamic text in the front end, or customer messages via plugin settings. On my site, I have set up 2 languages, providing input fields for text strings in both languages. It's crucial to fill in the text for all languages, otherwise the default language content will be used. For instance, consider the email pop-up in templates. Translate the email pop-up directly in the plugin setting. Input text for all languages if you have multiple languages set up, or it defaults to the default language. Now, let's explore multilingual emails. As you already know, you can choose a template for each email role. Now that your site is multilingual, additional fields are available for selecting templates in other languages. What you need to do is to create email templates in different languages. I'll do some emails in French. Done. Now, simply assign the appropriate template in the settings. Repeat the same process for email for abandoned order. That's all there is to it. Let's take a closer look. Here's my site in English, displaying the abandoned cart email pop-up in English. Upon subscription, you'll receive the email in English, as previously selected in the settings. For the French version of the website, the email pop-up will appear in the associated language, as well as the email received.